Diabetes mellitus, a common disease, causes high blood sugar levels due to insulin issues. Symptoms include weight loss, frequent urination, excessive hunger and thirst, dry skin, fatigue, blurred vision, and numbness. A well-planned diet is key to managing diabetes. Avoid sugary beverages, trans fats, refined carbs, sweetened cereals, flavored coffee drinks, natural sweeteners, dried fruit, packaged snacks, full-fat dairy, and fried foods. Avoiding these foods helps control diabetes and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Limiting these foods can help control diabetes and maintain stable blood sugar levels. 1. Fruit juices. Whole fruits are quite good for diabetic patients as they are highly packed with carbohydrates and fibers. But, in the case of drinking fruit juice, things are entirely different as the condition worsens to a great extent. If you are a diabetic patient and you still prefer to have fruit juice, it enhances your blood sugar level because of the high amount of fruit sugar. As a result, you can face critical conditions. According to the study, you are more likely, 18%, to have an increased risk of type 2 diabetes if you go for a daily intake of fruit juice. It can be much more fruitful for you if you have hypoglycemia or low blood sugar levels. So, keep drinking water, and you can add some lemon to it if you wish for something different. 2. Potatoes. People with diabetes often experience blood sugar spikes from eating potatoes daily due to their high starch content. Starch, a chain of glucose, breaks down quickly in the intestine, leading to sudden blood sugar increases. You don't need to eliminate potatoes from your diet. Instead, eat them with green leafy vegetables to aid digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. 3. White rice. Eating white rice increases diabetes risk by 27% compared to whole grains. White rice, lacking fiber and high in low-quality carbs, rapidly digests and spikes blood glucose levels, making it problematic for diabetics. For rice lovers, opt for brown rice instead, which is healthier and offers numerous benefits without the negative impact on blood sugar. 4. French fries, as well as chicken nuggets, are known as greasy and deep-fried foods. You should avoid these foods at any cost if you really want to prevent the problem of diabetes. These foods soak a high amount of oil and make you store excess weight gain. They are prepared with carb-rich and starchy ingredients that lead to a sudden spike in blood glucose levels. Such foods can also cause the issue of developing coronary artery diseases because they are made using hydrogenated oil that contains harmful trans fat compounds. 5. White bread. The most simple and straightforward way to control diabetes has a well-planned diet. Diabetic patients should be cautious about what they eat and drink. One of the 5 most dangerous foods for people having diabetes is refined starch. Refined starch is present in all the foods made from white flour, such as white flour pasta, white bread, etc. It causes lots of discomfort to occur as it causes a great rise in blood sugar levels because of the high glycemic index in these refined carbohydrates. To escape from such harmful effects, you can consume bran cereals and whole grains such as oatmeal with an efficient amount of fiber. Such carbohydrate complex requires time to digest and thus, makes a steady increment in blood sugar.